Most people are widely underuse ChatGPT. They treat it like a search engine or clever writing assistant. But what if I told you it can actually do the work for you already now? Welcome to Agent Mode. It doesn't just respond to the prompts, it executes the workflows. It can browse websites, fill out forms, analyze data, even run complex tasks autonomously. Unlike rigid tools like Zapier, ChatGPT Agent can adapt in real time, navigate dynamic websites, handle vague instruction, correct errors, work through unknown edge cases. This isn't if this, then that automation. This is here is the goal, figure it out. And over the past months, I've tested over 30 real-world use cases use GPT Agent, from automating invoice process to easily manipulating Excel or schedule a new summary before I wake up. I'm Celine Xu. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a business professional looking to turn AI into practical productivity, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the shortcut I wish I had when I start using Agent Mode. The full power tips to get more out of every agent method and a live demo so you can see exactly what it's like to work side by side with Agent. If you are ready, let's get you out of busy work and into strategic execution. You may ask first, what is Agent Mode and what can it actually do? So, easy way to put it, Agent Mode equal to tools plus autonomy. Most people know ChatGPT as a smart assistant you can chat with, but Agent Mode is a major upgrade. Think of it like going from an helpful chatbot to a fully equipped digital assistant with its own workplace. With Agent Mode, your AI use virtual machine to access and work with files, browse the internet in the real time, manipulate spreadsheet and data, or run code, call APIs, and complete tasks outside of the ChatGPT interface. It doesn't just answer, it acts. Here are what Agent Mode can do that regular chat can't. Handle multi-step tasks. It can break down complex requests and work through them step-by-step automatically. It may ask your permission sometime, but when facing easy error and bug, it can try another way to work it around. Use real tool and data. If you need to pull information from the web without copy and paste, or call an API, or crunch data without knowing how exactly get it done, Agent just need one goal and it choose the right tools, write the code and run them without hand-holding. Adjust and iterate on the fly. The agent doesn't just give one answer, it has process to check its own work, make decision, and refine the output without needing constant prompts. Last, support long interactive tasks. Not like chat mode, ChatGPT not able to handle the long time search or too much information at once. But the agent mode can execute hour-long research jobs and build multiple format reports without you looking at it. Plus, agent mode can also stay engaged. When you want to change the instruction, pausing, edit input, then resuming. Pro tip, agent mode is powerful, but it's only as reliable as the instructions and oversights you provide. Always review the outputs, especially numbers and fact. Here are a few types of tasks where ChatGPT Agent really shine and where you can start experiment today. First, format converters and document builders. Transform massive inputs into polished business-ready outputs or in one automated flow. Example like convert Excel spreadsheets into interactive dashboards. Then also generate summarized slides from the same data. Second, turn raw research notes into a professional formatted PowerPoint, customized for investor, executives, or clients based on your tone and goals. Second, intelligent research and data crawling. Pull insights across the web, clean them up, and get them delivered in a structured format. Use cases, for example, scraping competitive website ABC regularly and summarize the finding to a Google Sheet. Then flag pricing change and product launch in the real time. Crawling Reddit, Quora, the App Store, or YouTube, extract user feedbacks for a specific topics or a product. Analyze the sentiment and summarize user requests for business opportunities. 3. Scheduled repeatable personal assistant task. There are easy tasks you do daily, weekly, monthly, especially they need flexible rather than rigid formatting. Agent mode is ideal. For example, a daily news agent scan the top AI or finance resource and email you a 3-minute digest every day at 8 o'clock. A weekly invoice agent log into a vendor side, even in another language, downloads invoice, and update your tracking sheets. In both cases, the website's news change daily, and the invoice web layout varies. That's okay. That's where the agent shine. But important note, agent use language model which are probabilistic. That means the output isn't always exactly the same, even when the prompt is the same. So avoid use agent for tasks that required identical pixel-perfect formatting every time. Start with those work if having mistake will not having serious consequence. So personal assistant first, not professional consultant work. Let's get more fun. 4. Exploration task, which means you know the goal, but not know the steps. Sometimes you have a clear objective, but you're not sure how to get there. There is where ChatGPT agents shine again. They can explore, experiment, and figure out the steps for you. Agents are great at navigating ambiguity, trying different approaches or different tools, and adjust based on the feedback and the situation. Make them ideal for open-ended and exploratory tasks. Task example 1. Discovering API to automate a repetitive task. You can prompt like this. Find a way to automate uploading customer reports from Google Sheets to BigQuery. You can search the web, explore the BigQuery developer document, API endpoints, and then return a work integration plan. Example number 2. Build a workflow with unknown integration steps. You can see design an automated process to send Slack alerts when product pricing change on competitor size XXX. The agent can search for how to scraping competitor sites, find the code snipping, test parsing structure, suggest select integration method, and output. Quick reminder, agent mode is ideal for exploration, but not for final production. The goal here is to learn what's possible, not to launch a polished solution right away. If you need a stable, scalable system, you need to have budget and time, refine it, and involve engineering team to build it. Now that you know what agent mode can do, let's talk about how to actually use it well. These 4 tips below will help you maximize results, avoid common mistakes, and stay secure while working smarter. Tip number 1. Step in when credentials are involved. Agents are powerful, but they shouldn't handle your login credentials. It is not safe enough. Entering username and passwords through an AI interface poses serious security risk, like prompt injection. The best practice will be when the agent hits login screen, pause the task, enter the credential yourself, and then let the agent resume. Think it like handle the key to your assistants. Only when you unlock the door, they can start to work. 2. Use chat mode to draft prompts before using agent mode. Agent mode has limited quota, around 40 messages per month for plus or team plans. But for regular chat, you have almost unlimited quota. So only use agent when the task is deserve agent attention. What that means is do not give too simple, too straightforward task to agent, but combine multiple steps into one well-structured prompt and let the agent run the entire flow, or give them the complex task. You can use regular chat mode to plan and refine your instruction before you use agent mode. You can follow the following step. Draft and test your prompts in chat mode step by step. Debug the logic and refine the process, and then combine all the steps into one instruction to agent to execute. Remember, use agent mode for what is best, complex, multi-step execution, not for one-off task. Be specific, but balance the detail level of the instruction with the goal. Agents are smarter than just a basic chatbot, but they still need a direction. The key here is to give good enough context about the task without micromanaging every step. If you know the exact outcome you want, be clear about the goal, the format. But if you are still exploring and want exploration, let the agent generate options. It can suggest approaches, infer intent, or even build a workflow by learning from examples. Pro tips: you can upload sample inputs and outputs like Excel files or without a PPT to let agent learn first, and then ask agent learn the relationship and create exactly the similar results. Set the outcome, not the method, when use agent. Summarize this data into a 3 slides execute that, rather than listing every step. Last, add more role description or context for better output. Say something like, act as a business analyst, or you are a strategist with 10 years experience in retail. Think about you are managing a dedicated intern or junior person. It's all about balance. Give her enough context to stay on the target, but enough freedom for agent to think, adapt, and build. And you will get surprised. Last, but most important, don't expect identical result every time. Use the same prompt. As mentioned, large language model based on probabilistic. That means even with exactly the same prompt, outputs may vary slightly each time. Plus, since agent mode run on a virtual machine, you may run into occasionally issue like a task not initiated due to the network or VPN constraints. Bottom line, if you need consistent, repeatable result, use rule-based or code-based solution. Use agent mode when flexible, adaptation, and exploration are more important than precision. Those 4 tips apply for all kinds of agents work, not only limited to ChatGPT. Now, it's a demo time. I want to show you 3 cases. First, how to initiate agent mode and how it looks like you work with a virtual machine in the real time. Second, how to instruct an agent to write an email and send it directly without your interfering. Third, use agent to do YouTube channel analysis and offer you improvement suggestion. Agent mode, just press the plus and you can find the agent mode. You can see what things you can connect with. Here, I already connect to my GitHub, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. You can connect more. At the same time, you can also let the agent do different types of work. You can generate report, you can have action, you can analyze the spreadsheet, you can create PowerPoint. To the next example, the second agent I create is a customer insight agent. I want the feedback for the HM product. At the same time, I want some analysis, and last, I want this agent to send the information to me directly without my interfering. First things here, I try to make the agent think more clearly. So instead of directly says, find out all the product feedback you can find, I suggest first find out where we can find those information. So I said, find out where we can find the most product feedback in 2025. And I also give some suggestion, which I know there's some information, which is Trustpilot, SE, social media, so on and so forth. And then after I give this prompt, I said, please script the top 5, having the most information accessible for the first research and cluster the feedback by sentimental. And then highlight the repeated phrase, feature request, and pinpoints, summarize key insights to guide the product improvement and new idea. And also, I want to understand where the information is from. First, it's rephrase, and let's move to the results. It says where is the source, volume, and the feedback, and how many page view, and content analysis. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what I ask for, and sentimental cluster. If that is the negative, it's more about customer service failure, delivery logistic problem, return and refund, and product quality. All of this information is public information. You can find it online, but you can have the agent to summarize for you. And I want the repeated phrase, like it's poor customer service. The evidence is no customer service available completely, okay? And it's give the detail of that and about the feature request and suggestion of improvement. Impressive. And then it gave me a summary about key insights of the product improvement. It's really comprehensive analysis, and it's only take 10 minutes. Here, I want the agent also sent me an email. It's asking me, could you provide your recipient email and any specific subject I need to include? And I give my Hotmail. And you may wondering how it will send email from. And I let it use my Gmail account to send to my Hotmail. Here is showing you how you can take control for the virtual machine and log in your account instead of passing your password to the agent. So now I'm in the virtual machine and I said I will take over, and they will give you a notification and I will see I'm understand. And then they spin off the virtual machine. And it says you are controlling the browser. Here, you may have a little bit glitch because you are through your desktop access the virtual machine's desktop, and they have the website to enter your email address. Just be patient. And then you can give your email. It may have some problem. It depends on whether or not you already synchronized your email address with your agent. I already synced, but I still have the problem. But just follow the step and you will know what needed. And I said continue, and it's still not working, and I had to try another way. And when I able to enter my password instead of use passkey, and I'm able to join. Let's move to the next step. And here, the virtual machine already in my Gmail account. And here, I'm not typing anything, and it helping me create the email itself and attach to the report, and it will sending it. So this is live, and I already gave control back to the virtual machine. And it's described what they are doing now. Be a little bit patient. Then it's dropped already. You can see here. So you can see here, try enter email. They will type the email by themselves. Great. And now they already dropped the email directly. I'm not typing at all. And now it's asking me whether or not needed to send. Then I said send. And it's showing you another warning. And I press understand. Here you can see the email draft is for both recipient already attached and ready to send. I said send, and it started thinking. It takes some time. And it's give you the information about what the process is doing. It's sending. And finally, it's the email be successful, send it. And I'm checking my Hotmail, and you can see here is the email the agent sent. It says, hello, please find the attachment, blah, 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 and let me know if you have any question. So it's pretty good. And then let's see the report. The report is in Markdown format. Don't worry if you don't know Markdown format. You can download, use any web to open it. It will be okay. I'm use my RStudio to open it. And you can see here is the report, and really clear in the format, and you can use it in different way. Thank you. If you're interested in this type of video, I also create a video how to use ChatGPT to manipulate the Excel. I link below. The third case, create agent to analyze my YouTube channel. First, I provide my YouTube channel, which is this. And then I give a role. I said, you are a YouTube strategy agent. And I give the task, analyze 20 YouTube channel in my niche, including mine, and review top performing video and scripting comments. More is identify content gap common view questions and what audience love. Then I can improve my video in the future. And also, I want it to suggest 50 video topics with titles, hooks, and theme, and explain why they suggest, or the agent will suggest those. And then I want the agent classify all those 50 suggested video topic into 5 categories based on what I'm having in my YouTube channel now. One is AI tool using and demo, data-driven related, machine learning AI strategy, AI and data practice insights, especially for middle management in business. And last, AI or data insights suggested for young people. And then I want to classify those 20 YouTube channels in those 5 categories. And normally, the agent will not directly give you answer. It will rephrase what you ask for. Let's see. It says, understood, I analyze your YouTube channel and 19 additional channel with your niche. Focus on AI tools, data topics, MI strategy, practical AI insights for different audience segment. Sounds right. I identify content gap, common question, popular theme, and suggest 50 video topic, title, hooks, and theme. And I will classify those topic and 20 channel into the specific category. Sounds great. And then you see here is they stopped for 4 minutes because I think it's the Wi-Fi issue. But when you have this problem, don't worry. You can use what they rephrase you and copy and paste to what you want to talk to agent. And then it will reframing. And then it starts thinking again and set up virtual desktop. You can see it says it's checking the website called youtuber.me. And it's give you real-time information what they are doing now. And then things that I ask a question about ML strategy, AI insights, and then they have another website, which is a summary website, and to scripting more information. And then they log all the information. So the agent give me the specific niche understanding, my niche overview, and it have the channel analysis and classification. It's give me the channel name, the proximate subscriber and views. Really nice. Niche and strengths. And also the main category, according to my segmentation. And I can copy and paste this table. And it's give me some names I can learn from. It specify what time frame it's used. And then it's give me the observation from top videos and viewers' feedback, what the audience love, common viewer questions, and the content gap and opportunity, which I'm really interested in. Also, the 50 ideas of the topic recommendation is give me the purpose, title, and hook, and belong to which category, and why this topic will work, and from what resource. Really nice. And I was using this in the Excel to filter out what topic I like to talk about in the future. I always like to ask a large language model why they gave the specific answer to test the reasoning behind it, to understand the more why this. I'm really happy about this result. And it's just one prompt and have one agent message and you get everything. Bonus inspiration, you can build your LinkedIn personal brand agent. Here is how I built for myself. If you're interested in, I can link the prompt in the comment below. Hope you had fun. If today's video gives you a clarity or idea on start work with AI agent, don't stop there. Like the video and share it with the one you think need it. Subscribe for more practical strategy on turning AI into business results. And if you are ready to integrate AI into your team daily workflow or need help design high-impact use cases, reach out. I'd love to support you on that journey. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.